So next one, Helm 3 is added back. Like Istio had Helm support and then it didn't have Helm support. Now it has Helm support again. What do? Is this a good way to install it? What's up? Because do what do y'all want to take that one? Otherwise, I'm happy to.
Yeah, sure. So Helm support now is back again just for to support on the upgrade scenarios. For this is mainly for the customers who are already using Helm and could not upgrade to Istio operators. So this is basically to facilitate the upgrade path for the old Helm users. And if you are going to do a fresh install in the production for Istio, so then I would think the operators would be the recommended approach.
Yeah, I'll just mirror that, right? So for a couple different reasons. So first off, I think it's important for people to understand how some of the different Istio installations work. So Istio has used Helm for install since the beginning of time, basically. Even the Istio operator and Istio install, and it's important to understand that those two code bases are identical, right? So the Istio control install command is the Istio operator that runs it's just a different mode of running it. The operator runs live in a cluster. The CLI runs outside the cluster as a one shot, but they're the same code, the same rectification loop that runs when you install it. And under the hood, those actually do materialize a set of Helm charts. And so the introduction of the Istio operator CRD and those kinds of things were an attempt to kind of create an abstraction layer that hid the underlying complexity of Istio's Helm charts so that Istio was freer as a project to go iterate on how the install worked and not break people as we're doing Helm chart things, right? Obviously, there was a kind of a big ask to get Helm back. And so effectively, we are again exposing the underlying Helm charts that the two use. That both the install and the operator use. And so, you do have parity there. You're going to be a little bit less protected from change. That's going to be the big thing. And that's kind of the primary reason, like Vikas said, we wouldn't necessarily recommend doing that. The other big reason is that it's still in an alpha stage in Istio, which means that it's gonna change some. You're right. There might be some better API compatibility down the line, but not yet.